sometimes not warranted. But for certain problems where there is a large amount of symmetry, such as a rolling coin or a spinning top, the use of multipliers is certainly warranted. Okay, where we can solve the problem much more efficiently. So I guess in summary, for us as engineers, you have these two techniques, right? Newtonian mechanics, Lagrangian mechanics. Which is better? Nobody can say that. That depends on the problem, depends on your comfort levels, and depends upon what type of an approach you are using for these problems. Most times the Lagrangian approach is very nice if your problem is holonomic. I can close my eyes and say just do the Lagrangian technique if your problem is holonomic, even if it has non-conservative forces. That's completely fine. If your problem involves constraints which you need to extract, then Newtonian framework is a better way of attacking. Okay? I want to stop here and see if there are any questions. Next couple of minutes. Does this all make sense to everybody? It's a lot of information to digest because you've just seen a new technique today, Lagrange multiplier. Some of you may have known it before, but for the most part I'm assuming it's new. Applying it, and not only applying it, but then siphoning out the information regarding what that fellow is the tricky part here. And that comes with practice. And with practice, this is as good as Newtonian, maybe even faster. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop. Feel free to ask me questions coming to the board. Thank you all. Have a good break, everybody.